Hello, beautiful souls. My name is Hajra Nasir. How are you doing? Are we feeling happy or sad or worried? As humans, we feel different kind of emotions. However, sometimes we're not aware of what we're feeling. My workshop is based on social emotional learning. Let us start with what is social emotional learning? Social emotional learning is the process through which all young people and adults acquire and apply the knowledge, skills, and attitudes to develop healthy identities, manage emotions, and achieve personal and collective goals, feel and show empathy for others, establish and maintain supportive relationships, and make responsible and caring decisions. The benefits of social emotional learning are: it increases your attention span, memory, and learning. It improves your decision-making skills by managing stress through self-management skills. It helps you build strong relationships with your colleagues and parents and students. It helps you maintain your health and well-being. It increases your motivation and engagement. The workshop consists of 5 sessions. We will start with understanding self-awareness, becoming more aware of our emotions and values. The second session will be on self-management, where we will learn to improve self-control and gain insight to self-management strategies, which will help you to manage your emotions. The third session will be on social awareness, where you will learn to become a better listener and more empathetic towards others. The fourth session will be on relationship skills. Relationship skills are a set of skills that help you form healthy and strong relations. We will learn to receive feedback well, tackle a tough conversation, and learn to develop our relationship skills. The fifth session, also the last session of the series, is on responsible decision making. This session will include a step-by-step guide to the emotional side of decision making. Responsible decision-making skills help you to recognize and validate emotions. It encourages you to think critically. It helps you to communicate effectively. Let's begin this journey. Are you ready to get to know yourself better and learn new skills?